GoPro made a laptop. Well, actually, they partnered with ASUS to make the ProArt GoPro edition. And this week, we're at CES in Las Vegas for the launch of this laptop. But I'm going to give a whole rundown on all the exciting things about this. And we're going to see some exciting tech this week. So let's get into it.
I've been sex and
We're at CES in Las Vegas with ASUS, but it is also the biggest tech conference in the world. Over 150,000 people, tons of brands. So we're going to go and see what exciting tech is coming out this year. I'm pretty pumped. Let's go check it out. This is crazy. Look at how much stuff is here. Wow, that's pretty overwhelming, man. You think you've seen it all, and then you turn the corner and there's a whole another hall like this. And then you think you've seen it all, and you go around another corner and there's another hall like this. So I feel like you could spend the whole week here and probably only see like 40% of everything here. It's pretty mind-blowing. In today's video, I wanted to do a little unboxing to show you what you would get if you ordered the ProArt GoPro edition. It's quite a unique experience that GoPro and ASUS have created, because usually when you get a laptop, you unbox it, you throw the box away, and you don't really think much about it. But what ASUS and GoPro have done is designed a box that you would keep for storage of your laptop as well as your GoPro accessories. But once you remove the laptop from your packaging, you now have customizable pick and plug foam that you can design for all your different GoPro accessories and cameras. But this is not the most robust material. So what is also included is this epic hard shell case to go traveling with. And you can now put your ProArts inside, as well as all your GoPro accessories. So now that all your gear is in the hard shell case, what you do is you take the straps that are on this packaging and you clip them on here. And if you still have an extra selfie stick and camera, you can just slide it in here for quick, easy access. And now you've got a compact, portable setup that's ready for any adventure, as well as some epic editing. So I think that pretty much sums up this epic little unboxing experience. If you guys want to learn anything more about the ProArt GoPro edition, I'll have a link below. All right, let's go check out the rest of CES. We're at the Hohem booth, and they've partnered with GoPro to make another gimbal. Stoked the GoPro is back in the gimbal game. Recently got to use this on our Finland shoot. Great as Hypersmooth is, having a gimbal with an ND filter or the anamorphic lens just makes life a little bit easier. And you got the little AI tracker and the LED lights. Okay, go like this. Now it's locked in, it's gonna follow me. Down, and then I stop it like this. Now I can move away. That's sick. That's a cool demo. Man, I need to start using my one even more now. Fun fact, I had no idea that Bluetooth was a company. It's a conspiracy theory. Their doors haven't been open in a whole week. Something's going on there. So one of my favorite things to do is to shoot time warps on the Max 2, but what I personally like to do is actually leave it in video mode. That way I could speed ramp and control the speed in post-production. So it does take up a lot more memory, but I like having the full control of my time warp. So I'm gonna walk around down the road here towards the sphere and try to create a couple different time warps of it. So let's get it. All right, so we just finished shooting a bunch of hyperlapses, and now we're heading back to the ASUS booth because I'm gonna present a little live demo on the run-through workflow with the GoPro and the new ProArt laptop. Now GoPro and ASUS have worked hand in hand in the build quality and the design materials and just the overall feel of this laptop. You can really feel the impact GoPro has had in the design process of this, from the blue backlight keys on the keyboard to just the rugged feel. Now, some of my favorite features, being an avid GoPro user, is that the laptop has a micro SD card slot. So when you're filming with the GoPro, you get home, you don't have to worry about any dongles or accessories or adapters. You can just take the SD card straight out your camera and put it straight into the laptop and start sorting your footage. Another feature I really like is tablet mode. So because of the touchscreen, I can just flip this over, open up the GoPro media player and watch back my 360 footage and just use my fingers seamlessly and now watch all of my GoPro footage back as if it was a tablet. So this is a really epic, small, compact solution, but as great and as compact as this laptop is, it is also an absolute powerhouse. It's got 128 gigs of RAM, so you're gonna have no issue editing your GoPro footage, especially when you're filming on the Max 2 and you need to process 8K 360 footage. This laptop can handle it with no problem. This is crazy. So many gadgets. So we're heading over to the Hover Air booth now. I'm doing a talk on their new AI waterproof drone that can follow you around surfing, wakeboarding, any water activity. It's pretty sick. I got to test out a week ago, so I'm gonna tell everyone about it. So, because we're in Vegas for CES, we wanted to rent some supercars and try to get some cool shots down the strip, but that cost like way too much money. So instead, we bought some RC cars, and now we're gonna rip it.